In the quiet night, a whistle cries, echoes deep beneath the endless skies. A mournful sound that cuts so cold, a lonely tale that's never told. Tracks stretched out like shadows long, carrying memories gone wrong. Each distant call, a hollow sound, reminding me I'm lost, unbound. I'll never forget what you did that night while you were waiting for her. You sent me that picture of the train in the moonlight. You departs with a heavy sigh, leaving shadows where love used to lie. Its fading cry, a bitter tune, lingers under the lonely moon. Every whistle cuts so deep, a wound I cannot keep. Your betrayal, a haunting sound, in every station I'm bound. I hate trains, I hate the way they roar, only remind me of what I loved before. Once I loved the moan of their tune, now I wish I'd never heard that wound. You chose her over me again, left me lonely, left me in pain. Now I hate to hear that train, only reminds me of the love's disdain. I hate the sound that's filled with ache, the trains now for your sake.